Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of BuildFix. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to replace your windscreen wiper motor. Alright, so there are two things that will tell you if your wiper motor is functioning or not. First is just to simply pull the lever and to see if your motor is activated. So in my case, it doesn't activate. It only works with the wipers, but the water splash doesn't happen. The second thing to check is just to see if you have water or not. In my case, we have water, but the wiper motor isn't working, so we have to check and replace the windscreen wiper motor. Alright, so the location of the windscreen motor is placed on the right hand side or the passenger side. This black object is the motor and we have to replace this one. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tires. Alright then, so the next thing we should do is check the motor out, and first notice the connections before removing it, because for the first timers you need to know where is the inlet and the outlet. In this motor, this is the inlet in the front section, and on the left side is the outlet, and on top is the motor connection. So make sure that you know the connections before you remove it. So this is the damaged motor here, and I'm going to replace it with a new motor. Alright, so I've removed the old one from here, and I'm going to go ahead and install the new motor here. So the old one is a bit dusty and the new one is a bit clean, and I'm going to go ahead and install it right now. Make sure that you remember your inlet and outlet connection. As you remember, the small pipe was the outlet pipe and the inlet was down here in the small washer. Then connect it with the plug here. Alright, so the motor is installed properly. So to test this connection, first I'm gonna fill water inside the tank and make sure there is no leakage. Then I can go and function to check the functionality. You can either put a washer fluid or just simple water. After filling a little of water, just check if you have leakages. Alright, so as you can see, this one does not have any leakages from the washer here or on the outlet. So we can go ahead and fill the complete tank just to check the functionality. Alright, so let's check the functionality of the motor now. So you pull the lever towards your side and just to see. Okay, so the windscreen wiper motor is working now absolutely fine. So this is how you replace your windscreen wiper motor. Alright, so I hope this video helped you and you learned how to install windscreen wiper motor by yourself. If you have learned something new, hit the thumbs up button and click the subscribe for new tutorials every Thursday, and keep supporting, keep sharing. Thank you for watching. Peace.